Things you will learn when doing mathematics. Integration by partial fractions.
Integration by partial fractions is when you have something complicated and then you break it up into two smaller, simpler fractions, and then you integrate each individual fraction. So for example, we've got to integrate this. So notice that the denominator, you can factorize it as -4 and +1. So this fraction here can be broken up into one fraction plus another fraction. Our job now is to figure out A and B in such a way that these two fractions equals this fraction here. So looking at the numerator only, if I were to ask you to merge these two fractions together, you would get A times the denominator here, and then B times the denominator here must equal the numerator up here. So looking at the numerator only, this must always be satisfied. Our job is to figure out A and B. So now don't forget, when you're here, it should work for all x's. So let's pick a particular x where it will make life easier. So let x be -1. So when you put -1 into here, this whole thing here disappears. This thing here, -1 take away 4 would be -5. So you should have -5b. And then if you put -1 into here, it should be -8. So b must equal 8/5. So this b here must be 8/5. Now looking at this, let x be 4. So when you put 4 into here, the b disappears. This would be 5a, and then this will be 20 take away 3, which will be 17. So a equals 17/5. So this a here must be 17/5. So this whole thing here will then become this. So now you can factor out the 1/5 and then integrate the rest. So when you integrate this, notice that this is easy to integrate. It will be the natural log of the absolute value of the denominator. And don't forget, you got the 17 here. And integrate this, it would be this plus c. Okay?